Mr. Two-Face, and Mr. Incredible spit a few phrases. I just wanna be, it's a new thing.
You're listening to another DJ Next Remix.
There's something in my mind. I wanna talk about it. Feelings deep inside, yeah. This must be love. I'm not searching no more. I found the one for me, yeah. You are my destiny, you are my destiny. I want to be the one you seek in the morning, before you go to sleep at night. I just want to be the one you holding. I never want to see you cry. Girl, you know that I'll come running when you call from 1,000 miles, yeah. I said it, see, what more can I say? I just wanna be there. I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be there. I just wanna be the one you lean on. I just wanna be there. Just like your shadow. From now on till tomorrow, I just wanna be there.
I just want black boy, Two-Face. I just wanna be there. Be the sun when you're waking. Be your security, so let me be your gate man. If you wanna get high, I could be Jamaican. Even if you wanna leave, I could be your vacation. What you wanna listen to, girl, I could be your station. I could be your vision to be your imagination. I could be the super glue for your heart when it's breaking. I can slow it down, I could be acceleration. See, I just wanna be your family. I want you all up in my business so that like you manage me. I wanna be the man that she wanna see finally. You can trust, you can bank on my love guaranteed. I just wanna be there when you really need. Every single story about you and every little deed. If this is convenient, let